The Lamborghini Aventador is a mid-engine sports car manufactured by the Italian automotive company Lamborghini. Its name is derived from the Spanish bull of the same name. It is the successor to the Murcielago and was handcrafted in Italy. The Aventador SVJ is an improved iteration of the Aventador S with more horsepower than the Aventador SV. It comes with the same 6.5-liter V12 engine as the Aventador S. Weight savings measures including the use of carbon fiber and titanium in the exhaust system have reduced the weight to 1,525 kilograms. In 2.8 seconds, the Aventador SVJ accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour, and in 8.6 seconds, it accelerates to 124 miles per hour and reaches 219 miles per hour. The Aventador SVJ is the first production V12 Lamborghini model to feature Lamborghini's aerodynamical Lamborghini Attiva system. This allows the car to achieve 40% more downforce than the Aventador SV and 1% reduction in the coefficient of drag. The system adds aerodynamic components to the car including a disconnected front splitter, tri-dimensional air outlet on the bonnet, a large carbon fiber rear wing with a central fin, underbody aero design with vortex generators, and a large rear diffuser. The system works in conjunction with Lamborghini Dinamico Veicolo Attiva 2.0 management system, which uses inertial sensors to control the car's aero in 500 milliseconds. In February 2022, after production had ended, 15 supercars were destroyed when a car carrier cargo ship, the Felicity Ace, caught fire and sank approximately 200 miles from Terceira Island in the Azores. Lamborghini was forced to restart production to replace those lost 15 vehicles. As Lamborghini's first production V12 model with the aerodynamical Lamborghini Attiva (ALA) system, the Aventador SVJ achieved 40% more downforce as compared to the Aventador SV. A front splitter is disconnected, there is a tri-dimensional air outlet on the bonnet, a large back wing with a central fin, vortex generators under the body, and a large rear diffuser are added to the car. This system is used in conjunction with Lamborghini Dinamico Veicolo Attiva 2.0 management system, which uses inertial sensors to control the aerodynamics of the car in milliseconds. Lamborghini had to start manufacturing and assemble more supercars to replace the ones destroyed when a cargo ship carrying Felicity Ace took on fire 200 miles from Terceira Island, which is a few hundred miles off the coast of Portugal. The Ferrari 812 is a sports car and Grand Tourer that made its first appearance at the 2017 Geneva Motor Show and which has a mid-engine and rear-wheel drive design. Unveiled in September 2019, the Ferrari 812 GTS is the open-top version of the 812 Superfast. This marks the first production Ferrari with a front engine in 50 years and is not the typical style Ferrari made because they were limited editions made exclusively for elite clients. Large buttresses can be found in the back of the car which allow the retractable hardtop to be stored within, a shade which covers it from weather when not in use. The folding top is fast, taking only 14 seconds and operable at speeds up to 28 miles per hour. As a result of the chassis reinforcement components in the GTS, its weight is 75 kilograms heavier than that of the Superfast, but its performance remains the same. Besides the engine, all mechanical components remain the same as the Superfast, except for the transmission, which has shorter gear ratios for better throttle response. In addition to a high-pressure injection system, there is a new gasoline particulate filter and a stop-start system to improve fuel economy. There is also a Manettino dial, side slip angle control, and variable steering weight, which have been enhanced aerodynamically to avoid turbulence caused by the lack of a fixed roof. Powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine and equipped with extensive aerodynamic improvements, the Ferrari 812 GTS has an upgraded engine rating of 790 horsepower. There is a power-to-weight ratio of 2.18 kilograms per horsepower on the 812 GTS, which Ferrari claims can reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds.